This is Activity 1.1 on page 7, Naming and Editing Ranges. The file we'll be working with in this activity is titled Current Projects. You are a regional sales manager at Develotech Industries, a manufacturer of home electronics based in the fictitious city and state of Green City, Richland. Develotech is known as an innovative designer and producer of high-end televisions, video game consoles, laptop and tablet computers, and mobile phones. Develotech is a mid-sized company employing approximately 2,000 residents of Green City and the surrounding area. Develotech also contracts with a number of offshore organizations for manufacturing and supply chain support. You have been asked to total the regional data by quarter. To help yourself and others quickly identify the data being totaled, you decide to use range names in order to create the totals for each region and quarter. So I'm going to start by launching Excel from my desktop. And from my landing page, I'm going to select Open Other Workbooks, hit Browse, and I want to navigate to my home drive. This is Excel Part 2. And Lesson 1 is titled Working with Functions. And again, the file we want from here is titled Current Projects. Select that and click Open. And we want to make sure that we are on our Region Worksheet tab. Number 2, use the New Name dialog box to create a named range in the Quarter 1 column. We're going to select cell B4, press and hold Control, Shift, and your down arrow at the same time. So this selects the range in column B. We're going to go up to the Formulas tab of our ribbon. And in the Defined Names group, we're going to select Define Name. This opens up our New Name dialog box. And in our name field, we're going to name this Quarter_1. And from the Scope drop-down menu, we want to make sure that Workbook is selected. And ensure that the Refers to field displays the range of Region B4 through B7. And click OK from here. Number 3, use the name box to create a named range in the Quarter 2 column. We're going to select cells C4 through C7. We're going to go up to our name box and enter the name of Quarter_2 and press Enter. Then we want to make sure that the new range name of Quarter 2 is listed in our name box, so we can hit the down arrow here. You can see we have Quarter 1 and Quarter 2 listed. Number 4, use the Create from Selection command to create a named range in the Quarter 3 and Quarter 4 columns. We're going to select the range D3 through E7. And in our Defined Names group, we're going to select Create from Selection. We want to make sure Create Names from Values in the top row is checked off. Click OK. And we want to ensure that these have been added to our name box drop-down as well. So now we have Quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4 listed here. Number 5, use the Create from Selection command to create named ranges for the region rows simultaneously. We're going to select the range A4 through E7. We're going to select Create from Selection again. And this time we want to make sure that left column is checked off. Click OK from here. And select our name box drop-down, and you can see that we have an east, north, south, and west range added now. Number 6, navigate to a range and verify the correct total. From the name box drop-down, we want to select the south range. Verify that Excel selected the quarterly values for the range south in B5 through E5, which it did. And with this range selected, we want to make note of the total for the range in cell F5, which shows 19,282,000. And if you go down on your status bar, this actually shows three very common functions. It shows your average for that range, shows the count, which is 4 cells in that range, and it also shows the sum, 19,282,000, which does indeed match our total. Number 7, edit the range names for the quarterly columns to make them a bit shorter. In our defined names group, we're going to open up our name manager. We're going to select the quarter_1 range and select edit. And we're going to rename this as QTR_1 and click OK. We're also going to do this for quarter 2, QTR_2 and click OK. Select quarter 3, edit, QTR_3 and click OK. And then lastly, quarter 4, edit, and rename this as QTR_4 and click OK. Once you have all 4 of these renamed, you can close out of your Name Manager dialog box. And we just want to go back to our name box drop-down and verify that they have been updated for the names, which you can see they have been. Okay, now we're going to do a Save As. Go up to File, Save As. We're going to save it to our current folder, Working with Functions. And we're just going to update our name to My Current Projects. Click Save. And we can leave this workbook open for our next activity.